Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a table in Canva. And it's actually very easy and simple. So from this toolbar here, the left, what you need to do is click on the Elements tab. Okay, click on Elements, and here you'll see different sections. So if I scroll down here, you'll see stickers, videos, and tables as well. So from the table section, what you want to do is tap on a table to add it to your design. You can see different tables they have available. And let's say I'll pick this one right here. So you just go ahead and click on this. So here we go. We have a table, and I can resize this, of course. So I can, make this smaller as I see fit, right? And you can go ahead and change where it is located as well. So if I want to bring this down here, I can go ahead and do that. So here we go. We have our table. I can add text. So let's say ear, and then maybe education. Okay. And institution, right? Because you're making a CV. And then you can add further details here. And if you want, guys, you can add more columns and things like that. So if I click on this, I can click on add a column. Can add another extra column right here. Of course, if you want to add it here, come here, click on these three dots, click on add a column. What you can also do is, guys, you can go ahead and move this column to the right instead, right? Let's go ahead and undo these. And if you want to add more rows, you click on this dot, and then you can go ahead and add rows. You can go ahead and move these rows down, for example. And if you want to delete a row, you can come here and click on these three dots and delete the row. Okay, so you can go ahead and use this process. Really that easy